Hi everyone, this is 8482 Media, and today I'm going to show you how to design your contact forms in WordPress. So for this tutorial, we will need a plugin. So let's install that plugin. So it's called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Let's install that. And then click Activate. Okay, and then let's go to the settings of that plugin. And then go to Elements. And here in the Elements tab, we will look for the forms styler elements, and make sure that WP Forms is activated. And then go at the bottom and save settings. Now we go to our contact page and then edit it. So let's add a structure for our contact page. Click the plus button here. And we would like a 2-column structure. And then in the elements, let's select WP form. And then we are given two results here. Make sure to select the one that has an EA on top. And then drag it up in one of the columns. And then select a form. And you can now add designs to your contact forms. After designing the contact form, let's click Preview Changes. And that's it. That's how you add designs in your contact forms using the plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Thank you for watching this video.